Assalamualaikum Onashansagal. So today for this auspicious Onam, we are going to prepare special sweet dishes. We are going to make Parippu Payasam.
Yes. I'm preparing with the traditional way. It's also very tasty and
that will make this sweet Onam even more sweeter.
yes.
So let's start. Let's start the preparation. First, let's grate the coconut.
I have taken 2 coconuts. So first we'll extract the first milk, thick milk. Then we'll extract the second milk and then third milk. So we'll start the process. I have added little water to extract the first coconut milk. Follow the second one same and add little water into this. Almost done. So we'll transfer into the jar. Mix it well. Extract the milk. So this one is the first extract milk. Now we got the first extract milk. Now we're going to take the second extract milk. Using the same coconut which we squeezed, we'll add the water into this. Almost 2 cups of water. Now we'll extract the second coconut milk. The second extract milk, coconut milk as well. We have almost 2.5 cups of second extract milk. So again we'll do the same process. We'll add again 2.5 cups of water into this and mix it well. When we strain this coconut, we'll get the third extract milk. It's a very thin one. Keep doing until all the coconut is used. And this is our third extract milk. So we'll start the process. So this is the first extract milk, which is very thick. This is the second extract milk, which is thinner than the first, and this is the third extract milk, which is the thinnest of all. Now we'll start the process. So first we'll wash our parippu. It's a moong dal. So I'm taking almost 250 grams of moong dal. It's a parippu. It's the one. It's almost 250 grams of moong dal. So let's wash this. I have washed and drained the moong dal. Now first we'll dry roast this one. Then we'll add the ghee into this for frying. Low flame. Now it's dry. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ghee into this and we'll fry the moong dal brown till the golden brown on a medium low flame. We'll fry this. bite of this moong dal while you are having Paripu payasam. Oh. Otherwise it will become mushy. It's done, and so we'll switch off the gas and we'll transfer into our now in the third milk we are going to boil this dal. We boil this dal using third coconut milk. So I'm using now almost 3.5 cup of third coconut milk. And switch on the flame and let it cook. While our moong dal is cooking, we'll cut our coconut into small pieces to add in the end. So we'll start. We'll go. So it gives the authentic taste to the Paripu payasam, because in most of the payasam, Adapradhamam, we used to use cashew nut and raisins, but especially for the Paripu, Thengakuttu is the perfect match to give the authentic taste. So I have taken this one because I have dried little bit. It is dried. So we cut like this. We'll separate from the shell. If you have a fresh coconut, you can use that one as well. This depend on your taste. So if you add more, you will get a nice crunchy bite when you are having the payasam. So I have removed similarly almost all the pieces. So now we'll cut into small pieces. I slice the coconut. So check our dal. When you're cooking in the third milk of coconut milk, it will not split. So let it cook. Meanwhile, we will make the sharkara pani, jaggery water. So I'm taking almost 750 grams of jaggery. You can adjust as per your taste. So we'll add almost 1.5 cup of water into this. And put on the plate. Let the jaggery melt. Jaggery water is also ready. We'll switch off the flame. And our dal is also cooked. Dal is cooked. Now we'll add the jaggery water into this. Adding the jaggery water, the dal stops cooking. After adding the jaggery, the dal stops cooking and it will absorb all the sweetness. So we have to make sure that the quantity of the jaggery water has to reduce. Till that we'll cook. Then we'll add the second milk into this, second coconut milk into this. Now I'm going to add chukku. It's a dry ginger and few elaichi. So we'll make a powder out of this. Jaggery mix is almost done. Now we will add the second coconut milk into this after some time. It has to be little more dry. So in this stage we'll add our second extract milk. Now we'll add our second extract milk into this. 3.5 cup. And mix this well, medium low flame. Stir it nicely. Let it come to a nice boil. Let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Now jaggery is dried, so we'll add 1 tablespoon of ghee into this, because when you add the ghee, you will get the good flavor and better taste also. So for the payasam, every time when you use ghee or ghee, you will get the flavor as well as the taste. This is how you should make the powder. It's a chikku and elaichi. It's dry ginger with elaichi. Now it's on a low flame. We'll cook for about 5 to 6 minutes in a low flame. It's low bubbling. I am adding 1 teaspoon of this powder into this and mix it well. Nice aroma is releasing from my payasam. The dry ginger and the elaichi flavor. You can add or reduce according to your taste. Stir it well, because after adding first milk, thick milk, we cannot boil for a longer period
because the coconut milk will curdle.
So on the second milk, as much as we can boil the payasam along with the chikku and this powder. Our payasam is all ready. Now we'll add the first extract coconut milk into this and cook for only 1 bubble. To get 1 bubble, then we'll switch off the flame. So we'll add the first extract milk into this. And it is 2 cups. Stir it nicely and keep the flame in a low position and bring to a 1 boil. To balance the taste, I am adding a pinch of salt into this. So we'll wait till the 1 boil to come. See this bubble? So we'll switch off the flame now, because once the payasam is going to cold, it will become a thick. So in this consistency, we'll switch off the flame. So in a pan, we'll add the switch off the pan. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of ghee into this. Once the ghee is heated, we'll add our coconut, it's called kuttu. Nangala payasam ready aayittundu. Appa nangal idine cashew nut pinne mundiri idella serikkanilla. Enna pannamma idu parippu payasam. So for the parippu payasam, this is the best combination, and we'll fry till it gets golden brown. We'll fry this till it gets golden brown. Color is going to change. Now we'll switch off the flame. We'll add in our payasam. So our yummy, delicious payasam is ready. ghee and the coconut.
It tastes so good. I can taste the coconut and then the slight essence of ghee. It's such a perfect sweet Parippu Payasam for this Onam. So Mama's special Onam Sadhya special Parippu Payasam is ready.
ನಾನು ಈ ಸೀರೀಸಿಗೆ പരിപ്പ് പായസം ട്രഡീഷണൽ വേ ആയിട്ട് കാണിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമായാൽ നിങ്ങൾ നിങ്ങളുടെ ഫ്രണ്ട് കൂടെ നിങ്ങളുടെ ഫാമിലി കൂടെ ഷെയർ ചെയ്യണം. പിന്നെ ഈ റെസിപ്പി നിങ്ങൾ ഈ പ്രാവശ്യത്തിന് ഓണത്തിൽ ട്രൈ ചെയ്യണം.
So you must try this recipe, this Parippu Payasam for this Onam, because it's definitely a delight. And if you like this video, make sure to share it with your friends and family so they can also enjoy this lovely recipe. And also don't forget to like, comment down below, and also subscribe to this channel.
Thank you for watching.
See you soon.
If you like my videos, please click on this subscribe button and click on this bell icon so that you never miss out on my videos.